Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to WooCommerce. Let's get started. First, log into your hosting dashboard. Next, create a CJ Dropshipping account. Go to cjdropshipping.com, fill in with your details, then go back to your hosting dashboard. Go to Plugins and choose WooCommerce. In my case, I already activated it, so I will proceed to the next step. Next, install CJ Dropshipping directly here. Click Add New Plugin, look for CJ Dropshipping, then click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate. Once activated, open CJ Dropshipping, scroll down, and click Connect. Next, click Add Store. Here, you need to paste in your site URL. It should be the one directly in here. Now, to connect it to WooCommerce, click Approve. And you can see that the authorization is successful. Once your store is connected, you can start configuring specific settings like a shipping method and importing preferences. And that's it. You have now connected CJ Dropshipping to WooCommerce. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.